Hello everyone, welcome to another Midjourney tutorial video. Now today I will show you how to use Midjourney to sell AI art on Etsy. This is a print-on-demand business. You can actually create this business off of just Midjourney, which is completely free. And Etsy is also completely free to use. So first of all, what you can do is, since I added a Midjourney bot to my server, as you can see, I created a couple of arts. For example, if I want to use this art, right, I can hit it, open in browser, right? And I will open this art in browser. I can save it, and later on I can use it for my Etsy store. Now let me show you how actually people are using this for their Etsy. As you can see, if I type in wall art on Etsy, I will actually give I will actually have a wall art image right here that already someone is selling, right? And this is generated by Midjourney, as you can see. So if we click on this, we can see that this art is going for $93, which is insane. This is a wall art, by the way. And what you can do is you can actually have this printed out, or you can just sell a print, right? Just a print, right? For example, here, as you can see, you have one piece, black float frame. You can also add a frame to this. All you have to do is sign in and create a store on Etsy. And then you will be able to go and you will be able to basically go and sell these prints, either a print or a print with a frame, right? It's totally up to you. I would definitely use just print because, people can print that themselves. But as you can see, this is pretty much it, right? And if we go to this website right here, or this store, we can actually see that this store is actually selling a lot of AI art right here, as you can see, which is awesome, right? Astronaut art. You can also have a niche, right? For example, you're only selling an art around, astronauts or maybe space, right? Which is awesome as well. But that's pretty much how you can do it, right? Obviously, this is not a full tutorial. This is just an idea on how you can actually go and execute this. It's a very interesting thing to do. Obviously, on Etsy, it's totally free. Midjourney is also totally free, so you can use it completely free. Yeah, you just need to go and you need to market it. Obviously, Etsy already has a market for this, so Etsy is an SEO machine, so you don't actually have to go and market it on TikTok or Pinterest. You can actually use Etsy's algorithm to actually go and market it. And for that, what I would recommend is go to Google and use Marmalade. Marmalade is great for Etsy, which is a great ranking tool, right, for Etsy. As you can see, Marmalade is the most recommended Etsy SEO product by leaders in the community. So actually, this is a very good tool if you want to grow your sales with real keywords on Etsy. So you can use that as well for your Midjourney keywords as well, which is awesome. So that's pretty much how to use Etsy and Midjourney together in order to make some money on Etsy and online. I think this is a great opportunity. Comment down below if you already tried this. I would love to see your experience with it, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.